My name is Dr. Zeleck. I am Senior Research Fellow at Cardiff University and an emerging leader at the UK Dementia Research Institute. My research focus is on a part of the immune system called complement. So complement normally is there to protect us from infections and to clear away debris and dead cells. However, when it goes wrong, it can damage our tissues, our cells, including brain. So I'm developing new therapies which block this harmful activation and dysregulation of the complement system with the aim to slow down or prevent disease progression. And what drives me is the hope that one day these drugs candidates will improve quality of lives people impacted by dementias.